The Bay of Plenty, Te Moana Atoi. Our beautiful region is exposed to a range of different geological, meteorological and man-made hazards that we need to be aware of so we can keep ourselves, our whānau and our communities safe. One of the most significant hazards we face is tsunami. Tsunami are a series of powerful waves usually caused by an undersea earthquake that can travel hundreds of kilometres before reaching land. All of Aotearoa is vulnerable to tsunami because of its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire, the highly active tectonic boundary of the Pacific Plate. Here in the Bay of Plenty, we face a range of potential tsunami sources. Distant source tsunami are usually generated by large offshore earthquakes on the far side of the Pacific, such as along the South American coast. These waves may take 12 to 15 hours to reach us. Regional source tsunami can come from large offshore earthquakes in the Kermadec Trench or the Hikurangi subduction zone, arriving in 1 to 3 hours. Local or near-source tsunami can be generated by earthquakes, landslides or volcanic eruptions close to New Zealand. While local source events may not create the largest waves, they're still dangerous as the waves may reach the Bay of Plenty coastline within minutes, leaving no time for an official warning. That's why it's important to recognise the natural warning signs and act quickly. Remember, if an earthquake is long or strong, get gone. Move immediately to the nearest high ground or as far inland as possible, out of tsunami evacuation zones. Do not wait for official warnings. If you are near the coast and experience any of the following: a strong earthquake that makes it hard to stand, or a weak rolling earthquake lasting a minute or more, a sudden rise or fall in sea level, loud or unusual noises coming from the sea, or an official alert, walk, run or cycle if you can. This reduces the chances of getting stuck due to damaged roads or traffic congestion. You can help prepare now by checking whether you live, work or spend time in a tsunami evacuation zone and by practicing your tsunami hikoi. Visit the Bay of Plenty Civil Defence Emergency Management Group website to find easy-to-read evacuation maps and your nearest safe assembly zone. In a tsunami, get out of the blue evacuation zone. Visit bopcivildefence.govt.nz to explore tsunami evacuation maps for the Bay of Plenty and access the full Hazardscape resource along with guides and information to help you feel prepared no matter what our region throws at us.